Solo Scrooge, sending peace and blessings to you all out there. Hashtag Solo Nation. How's it going, my people? Appreciate all of you that have subscribed to the channel. All of you that watch the videos. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button for me, my people. We're doing our best to give you the latest updates with Coreum, Sologenic and XRP. Hit the like button for us. That pushes the channel for the analytics. And we can help the channel grow and get noticed more. So my people, quick Coreum technical analysis. Here we have Coreum on the day at 0.20415, down minus 1.5% on the day. And what I'm seeing, if we make this a bit bigger, we don't need to see the whole chart right now. But what I'm seeing, my people, if we look at this blue downtrending resistance and this blue line downtrending support, this is the channel we're in. This is the pattern we're in. And this looks like, to me, it looks like a falling wedge. And a falling wedge signals a bullish reversal. Let's have a look. So the falling wedge pattern explained. So this looks like what we're in with Coreum. So the falling pattern is followed by a technical analysis because it typically signals a bullish reversal after a downtrend or a trend continuation during an established uptrend. So a falling wedge can be defined by a set of lower lows support. So look, lower lows, support, and lower highs resistance. See the lower highs resistance that slope downwards and contract into a narrower range before price finally breaks above the resistance line and a change in trend direction occurs. Another notable characteristic of a falling wedge is that the upper resistance line tends to have a steeper descending angle than the lower support line. As we can see, a steeper descending angle than this lower support line. So if we have a look at Coreum, we can see that we've got a set of lower highs, resistance, and it's resistance, lower highs, lower lows on the support, lower, support lower, support lower, lower, lower. So to me, my people, this is what I'm seeing. It looks like we're in a falling wedge, and we can see that the resistance line is more steeper than the support line. So if this was to play out, as in this markets, nothing is guaranteed in these manipulated markets. But if this was to play out, we can see we take the measured move, but conservatively between the support and the resistance, and we would bring it to wherever we break out. So if we was to break out here, we would put it here. That would bring us to about the 28 cents, conservatively 29 cents, hitting this resistance line basically. If we was to drag it out a bit longer and break it here, that would bring us to about the 27 cents, conservatively, basically to the down blue trending resistance. That's what I'm seeing, my people. If we was to break, if this plays out and we break past this resistance here, we could see a 32 cents, but I'm not saying that's happening, my people. I'm not saying that's happening. But what I can see is that this looks like a falling wedge pattern. It ticks all the boxes. And if we look at our indicators on the daily, we can see we're in oversold territories. On the RSI, we're in oversold territories. So on the RSI, we're at 34. We could come down to 30, but we're oversold. On the MACD, we could see that we could have a death cross coming up on the daily. But if we do have that death cross, there's still space to come down in the pattern. So if we do have that death cross, I'm not anticipating that we break below this downtrending support. Although anything's possible, but I'm not anticipating it. So that could bring us a bit lower, which just means that our, the breakout is prolonged if we have this breakout. And on the stochastic RSI, we can see that we're oversold in oversold territories as well. We can see that we're in oversold territories as well. And in this game, we buy when we're oversold, and we sell when we're overbought. We buy when we're oversold, and we sell when we're overbought. So although I don't think that the market has seen the bottom, the whole markets in general, I don't think that we've seen the bottom yet. I'm not too sure if we're ready to break down now, because this falling wedge pattern signals a bullish reversal, my people. A falling wedge pattern signals a bullish reversal. So if we break out this falling wedge, we've got a resistance at 22,156 according to this chart. Then we've got another one at 24,576. And then we have another one at 26 cents. But depending where we break out from, we could be coming back to 26, 27 to 29 cents, my people, in the coming days to weeks, depending how long this pattern wants to play out for. So that's my technical analysis, my people. That's what I'm seeing on the charts, on the Coreum chart. Coreum looks like it's in a falling wedge pattern, and a falling wedge signals a bullish reversal. Could we break lower? We could break lower. Anything's possible in the markets. But if I'm trading this, I would put my stop loss below the downtrending support. I would have a stop loss below the downtrending support, because if we was to break down out of it, then we're coming down. But as long as we stay in the pattern, this is a bullish. The falling wedge signals a bullish reversal, my people. It signals a bullish reversal. I'm not quite sure that this is ready to play out yet. As we can see, we're in oversold territory, and really and truly, when we're oversold is the time that we buy, and we take profits when we're overbought. So my people, I appreciate you all for the love and support. I'm Solo Scrooge with the Solo News. If you got anything out of this update, like, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.